Hello everyone, I'm Shravani, and in this video I'm going to explain the DevOps concepts that I have learned in the workshop. So this mainly focuses on cloud computing, AWS services and DevOps practices, and let me also show you how to create and launch an instance and how to create a root and IAM user. So cloud computing actually means storing data and running applications on the internet instead of our own personal computer. Using cloud computing, we can store data anywhere in the world and access it from any location using the internet. It helps organizations reduce the infrastructure cost and improve scalability. And what is AWS and IAM? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, which provides cloud services like compute, storage, networking, etc. And IAM, or Identity Access Management, is a AWS service used to manage access securely. With IAM, we can create users, groups, roles, and policies, etc. And the root user is the main AWS account holder, and an IAM user is an individual user created with the AWS one. And Linux operating system is an open source operating system widely used in cloud and DevOps environment. And some popular Linux distributions are Red Hat, CentOS, Amazon Linux, etc. And EC2 is an AWS service used to create virtual servers called as instances. Let us now create an instance. So first search for EC2. These instances allow us to run applications in the cloud, and EC2 is considered the backbone of AWS because it provides flexible and scalable computing power. Windows instances use RDP protocol while Linux instances here uses SSH. So let us click on it and see. As you can already see, there is one instance created. Now to create an instance, first click on launch an instance and now give a name to the instance, whatever it may be. And now you can choose your OS. You can choose Amazon, Ubuntu, Windows, etc. So let me choose Ubuntu here. And now after choosing, let us set the architecture bits and choose the instance type. So the popular instance type or default one is actually available here. Let me pick that one. And now for the key pair, so you have to download a file of this key pair. So it will be .pem is with the .pem extension. So first create a key pair name and then is now select it and then now launch an instance. And later on, these are network settings, and just make sure all of them are default and only change if anything is necessary. So let me click on create security group, and this allow SSH is an important one, and if you don't allow it, so there will be a major difference in this instance. So allow that first, and now in the storage, give the size, and for the free tier, it is written here so that we can use up to 30 GB. So choose accordingly whatever you want. And after that, let us launch this instance, and yes, you can see a success message. So the instance is launched. Now click on instances here, and now you can see the instance that we have created is running, and the status is currently showing initializing, so we have to wait for some time. And this is the public DNS that is created, and now using this DNS we can access this server. And let me quickly show you how to create a IAM user and give permissions. So click on the users here in the IAM dashboard, and here give the user details and provide user access to the AWS console. Click on it, and after that you have to generate the password and click next. And here set the permissions, only give attach policies directly and give the S3 policies that you have previously created, and select the policies that are applicable. And after that click on create user, and after creating the user, see you can see how the user is created. And now let us see about the other concepts here. And here the S3 provides different storage classes based on how frequently the data is accessed. So it is used for frequent accessed data. And VPC is virtual private code. VPC is a private network in AWS where we can launch resources securely, and internet gateway is allows communication between a VPC and the internet. And CI stands for continuous integration and CD stands for continuous delivery. These are a set of automated steps that codes go through for development to deployment. And to conclude this, DevOps helps me understand cloud computing, AWS services, and the practices, etc. easily. And this, I've understood that these concepts are very important in modern software development and cloud environments. Thank you.